Wadikap. Hi everyone. Today is the 5th March 2025. I begin my days with asking AI to leading me a guide. Technique is I look at the CSIs and give the number which pair is strong and have him analysis. And this pair, this morning I'm looking for the GBP against across the board. GBP against New Zealand, Australian, the weakest. But this morning the New Zealand and Australian is posed as a strong, challenge the GBP like 72%, 62% against GBP 64. And the AI interpret for me like this. And you have to stop the video and come back and reading it, which is just the technique that I use to looking for an assistant to help me to answer the question. So, and now I just put one position since I like to scalping, not particular target on a long distant move. Like here I get in at this at this line and take stop loss and take profits, so I can ask the AI to help me to point out which thing that I need to be concerned, which is I'm gonna type in right now. And before I do that, I need to pause this. Okay, this is the AI answer me this, and I have to feed with the question about my trade. I'm learning every day some new thing, make interesting interpretation of that thing I showed you before. Possible market impact New Zealand and AUD, confirmation, check price action and key level, see if momentum aligns. Okay, next question. I wonder if GBP is still go carry on move north, and this is the answer. I don't want to read here, you come back and read it, stop the video and reading it. So after that I have interesting, I'm get bored, I'm looking for the NFT new at New York opening. Could this affect the market to hold on to the news release? So why does the market hold before NFT? So this is all explanation that nice to read, interesting. How could GBP USD react, and something to advise trading consideration before NFP, and the question asking at the end, and how I approach post NFT trading. So he tell how do you prepare and wait for the first 5 to 15 seconds a minute before make decision, second, third, fourth. So, and now I enter this Bitcoin here with this price for just having fun with this before an FT come. I looking for, this is the take profit, this is the stop loss. AI recommend what to do, and many things good to come back and read about it. And market condition, volatile, that could be hit my stop loss when the NFP coming. And key level and liquidity zone, this the liquidity zone, stop loss and take profit. Execution spread consideration, so this is good to know. So this is all about this new key level that I put in. This I take a sell on Bitcoin, just scalping. Look at the lower time frame. I'm well aware of this high searching 2 candle up, and I just take a risk here. Above there is my taking profit, but I just don't want to put in here because there is no sign of spike, extreme movement of the volume. So it's the 5 minutes of Bitcoin. So let's go to sequence of the full. Okay, this is GBP 15 minutes, GBP US and GBP New Zealand on my radar. I haven't do anything. I know it's gonna go up because GBP is strong. It's just pull back or give some distance so the people who can get in. Let's look at the big single chart. Right at the level, key issue that buyer can step back in, push the market through this guy with NFT, and that's GBP New Zealand. Supposed to be much higher today. Yesterday and day before they come sideways market, bring the price down to where the buyer get irritated. When you're gonna go? Actually the best price is down here, so I rather put my alert me set up for alert. Okay, there it is. This is the price that I want, but since I can't wait and I could possibly enter here, but I have to look accordingly to the NFP release. So this is GBP New Zealand. This morning one position in, I sell GBP, but somehow it break even. I didn't lose, I didn't win, but I get one position test, but before that I win something. But anyway, it's scalping time, waiting for the price to move. That's GBP New Zealand, 5 minutes. Put back to the 15 minutes so I don't lose the sequence, because when you're quick move to searching, your eye won't look at this. You always look at here. But anyway, good to put it back in the same sequence. That should be 15 minutes. All in 15 minutes. Only this Bitcoin is different. I make us buy a sell here. Bitcoin is going down to here. I hope. That's my bet. Okay, make sure that I come to here also. Here with my, look at this. This is where I get the percentage of who is the lead. Right now New Zealand since been weak for a whole week and months, long time, but at this 5 minutes it's strong, but it's hedging down because it's just fair value price. What are we on? We are on the chart where I call my cockpit. I can see GBP New Zealand on the top of the heat map. They are so hot. The low one are not interesting. I only one pair to trade to. New Zealand is weak, but right now is on the top at 5 minutes, but we can go to the monthly all sequence. So to see New Zealand 22, when is the first time it's going up, we check on that. You see here, this is the way I check Switzerland weakness. On the weekly 22%. I just look on the weekly, and on the daily I just look GBP 21% lower compared to the New Zealand, lower 21% on the daily. On the daily, to look at the GBP is like 80. So daily is GBP definitely strong. And on the 4 hours, GBP still even searching more, 91%, and New Zealand 42. Okay, when the New Zealand to search the first time is at the 1 hour here. This 1 hour New Zealand start to gain percentage of 75%, but GBP a little bit slightly down, not below the 50. GBP is 60. But on this time frame, 1 hour, who is the strongest? The strongest, you can see that it is Euro, but Euro is dipping from this overbought zone to get into the fair price value in the middle. So that's 4 hours, 15 minutes. GBP still, New Zealand still 80% at the 80% of overbought area. So this is GBP from top to down, and look at this according to the percentage. GBP just start to rising at 1 hour chart. Here the sequence of the array GBP USD is the strong, the most trending. So I will go look to GBP USD, and I keep this GBP New Zealand on this chart, so I can see at 15 minutes who is the lead. I want the GBP Switzerland to go down before I can put in another position buy on GBP New Zealand. But when I look at the 1 hour sequence of the array, GBP USD is coming on the top. When it's come to 15 minutes, it's like, okay, let's make it. Where are they? You know, I want GBP Swiss franc and GBP USD is the lagging of number 10 and number, I don't know, it's way down there. Way down there. So I don't want to go. This is not easy task to move everything in the sequence. So GBP Aussie, GBP New Zealand, GBP start to be like what I call pull back here, because GBP on the weekly, monthly, weekly, green, okay, green, they are buyer market. This is a smaller time frame. They just taking a break or pull back for GBP. I hope that's what I get from this cockpit of my indicator. And let's go to the sequence of, okay, USD start to coming. I should get in here to make some money. running around. I'll take this away. GBP New Zealand is still red. GBP CAD is coming. Sister pair to USD. This is 1 minute. It's 3 minutes now. Don't forget that. GBP Swiss franc. Oh, also GBP coming strong against Swiss franc at this moment. That's 3 minute time frame. GBP New Zealand 1 minute, also 1 minute and 1 minute. GBP is weak versus New Zealand at this chart. When the GBP is weak here, why? This US GBP US must be strong. This is mean that New Zealand is strong, pushing GBP down, and GBP USD, GBP are searching up because USD is weak, so it let GBP going through, not through yet, but fighting. So this is like, I like to see the US is 37 at 15 minutes. It's 37% US and GBP at 45. So GBP is still winning in the percentage of GBP USD. So it look like I need to wait for this to move back to give me a better price, discount price. This is one minute chart, so I can put into 5 minutes just 3 minutes. I put this to 5 minutes. That's what it was. It was 1 minute. That's throw me off. So now we are 5 minutes, and what 5 minutes can see a big picture. GBP New Zealand 5 minute chart. GBP gain back, the seller start to give a discount price, and GBP New Zealand is on the chart here. GBP New Zealand, this one. So that means we can see the 5 minutes candle time frame on here together with heat map. The heat map say GBP is red. On red is true. It's all red down, but not in a strong sequence. Like not very strong. Choppy down. So, and this is 5 minutes. 5 minutes GBP. New Zealand is 89%. Yeah, New Zealand 89%. The white line 89%. Okay. That means GBP New Zealand, as we are seeing now, is pushing GBP down because GBP is weak at 47, but New Zealand is 89. We have to wait for that. Nothing move yet until the NFP coming. The everything here now stay on hold. NFP guys is coming. And where do I go next? Is to Bitcoin, raw trading, C trader, GBP USD, GBP JPY, GBP CAD, sideways. All of it sideways. You don't know when you don't see the whole sequence picture. So this is GBP USD. If I put my line alert here, there will be a lot of ding during the New York NFP open. I don't want that to happen again. Would make me nervous. GBP JPY. Yeah, GBP is supposed to strong. It stay hold. the level, would they take out of this area? Should I put that line in so I can see that? No, we go too much work to clog up my screen. Okay, this is like following GBP JPY. GBP 15 minutes managed to bridge above day before and then pulling back in to get ready to go up north. But look, the way they go up north is like very small candle on the 15 minutes time frame. London market is still on and no sign of significant volatile movement, so we're not gonna do anything, just keep eye on GBP CAD, GBP Euro, and GBP are paired together strong. I'm not gonna touch that. GBP switch from, okay, GBP switch from, like both party are strong. GBP trying to kill this level, and they have obstacle here a little bit to deal with. So GBP switch from possible to move down if GBP is weak in the New York open market. Okay, GBP New Zealand, they're right at the level they're supposed to strike back to push the price up north. Already looked many times of this. I'm not gonna spend more time on that. GBP Aussies, sister pairs, they look the same, so GBP is already checked. Bitcoin, okay, they're searching. Where is my seller? He's supposed to bring the price down. Don't play chicken. Or you waiting for this the better price, or this is where my stop loss is your better price before you move. Something to be concerned. I am in red. I sell, and when the way I look at this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, they're stumbling in here, doesn't go anywhere. But really, this guy is the one who decide. He had my get bridge yet and my stop loss right above of him. I want to put the stop loss up here, but it's too much generous, and my sell is down here, and I don't think that the price will move down so deep to take this today down. All I need is just small income from here to here, where you have to come and test this in the future. If I'm not taking out before stop loss, I get hit. You get here before, then I make money. But I think I'm not gonna do anything. I'll take the risk at this level. If it's come here strong, I cross scratch before take my full hit. But I hope it going down. So that's Bitcoin, guys. And now where do we go from here? Haven't shown you my time yet. Economic calendar. Have to refresh it. And if it's not refreshed, sometimes it doesn't paint. Okay, Australian is good from the opening market according to Chinese. US President Trump speak, and ruble is S&P PMI a little bit drop 4.54 to 50. Swiss franc minus 0.1 to 0.6 on CPI. Good for Swiss franc. Euro green on the way. Spanish service is green, and I don't want to go through this. You come back and look at that, okay? And then at 9:55, German service PMI start to show the red, so what before is erased. Euro mixture of good and bad, 52, 52, 55.5, 51.5. So more bad. I'm not gonna throw. Yeah, please go through a little bit. Okay, 51 or 50. Bad. 50, 50, 50. Bad. Okay, GBP is also bad, just slightly. 50.8 to 51, but not get that 51.1, but get 51.2. GBP is slightly bad. Euros mix good and bad, and that's the GBP. US dollar index. Look at this. What is 4 hours? Every one candle is 4 hours. Okay, that's US dollar trading 104. That's US dollar drop today. What is my Met5? Met5 is today 30. Now is 0.38, 38 cents. And seem to respect this guy who's selling very big candle, 2 candle on the way down, and then choppy up. Doesn't look like they going anywhere. So this is the news. Live chart. Dollar is 10.104. Okay, that's all about the news just now. We're waiting for the NFP, which is gonna start in 55 minutes. Non-farm employment, ADP, and then there is a cat that is GDP, USD, global composition is S&P, global service, PMI, so and so. That's what we have to wait. So the market is waiting. We're waiting with the market. So what is the next is look at the here it is USD CAD 1 hour on the US sequence, and Euro USD up, New Zealand USD up, GBP USD up, Aussie USD up. Look like this set USD is weak. USD CAD weak. USD JPY touch to the level. Where is this guy gonna hit at the same sequence level here and here? I don't know, but that's the US JPY pulling back. Hopefully US will get strong, but it doesn't look like so, because this USD weak on this here weak, and then they're supposed to continue to being weak. That means US JPY could be dropped at the SNR level, and here same USD CAD is look correlate to US JPY and US switch from somewhere around here. Okay, this is level their respect. So we have to wait for the equation to solve out. This is my trade. It's pulling back, and I hope it touching my taking profit down here. That's the Bitcoin, and we go to the sequence of what is this giving me. Okay. Alright, this is a sequence of US JPY. US was supposed to be weak. JPY is supposed to support by the government and make the JPY strong. Let's see if it look like that. This is sequence of US JPY from weekly. We are here with the crossing here sequence. Where are we in the 1 minute or 5 minutes? We are. I wonder if US JPY will going up because it's at the level where my crosshair is cross sequence from 1 week to 3 minutes. 3 minutes is dropped down to the level where the buyer need to come back, show me the sign, or I have to get in before the buyer, or I hope. This is US JPY. It's not on my wrist or on my list totally, but JPY is strong. And today and recently and past few days US is weak. So if US weak, it can go further down from here. But this is like, I'm not gonna put in position here because it's in the face of the buyer. Even though it's so enticing to sell, but when the sell will go because it's at the level. It's important level. So US JPY is on hold, sideways, sit on the sideline. US JPY. Look at back to the gold a little bit. My radar stalking on gold. Where is my 1 minute, 3 minute line is here. That is where the monthly way here, up here, show. So I put my line here so you know where you are originate on price cross the higher time frame. Look like daily not yet stop to searching to reach to that level. Which that level? This is the daily, okay guys. This level. They need to come up here to challenge this level. And let's look at above is 4 hours. 4 hours is here. That's where it's supposed to come. How far from here to here? Not so much distance. If you're gonna buy now, it's on the XAU USD. So it's so much high to reach to the place where you can make money. You have to wait for the next turn. You see, it's almost to this guy. You buy here, where you can put your stop loss here. Not good. Okay, that's the 1 hour is here in the sideway in the range. Okay, in the middle of the range. It's clearly that this trade is on hold for the NFT, and if there is a big range enough to trade around here, that's the goal. Not so much happening. The price is so high and not pulling back enough to get in to make some money. US JPY already checked. Now we can go to looking for Euro. Euro is supposed to be strong. Let's go for 15 minutes, like a scalping or day trade time frame from 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes sequence of euros New Zealand. Let's say when the first hiccup is here. Euro New Zealand and Euro Aussie hiccup pull back the same way fashion. Euro switch round. You remember Euro New Zealand is Euro is weak. I mean weak in the pullback way. They are strong. Euro are strong. Okay, but they pull back. It's not so weak. Just say something wrong. they pull back very strong, euro. But that's because of New Zealand at this morning become 70% high strong. So is Australian. They are not in the correlate with this guy. Euro strong, supposed to bring the Swiss franc weak. Euro and Euro Swiss franc and Euro USD. There, the sequence. They start from here, move, put the leg up, pull back here, and this guy also pull back and start to search. So Euro Swiss franc correlate, Euro New Zealand Euro also correlate. Euro GBP here and here look almost twin. So they are euro strong in this moment of time. Euro strong, pullback, and strong in the sense correlate sequence. So this is the lower time frame. It's time for the cheese. If the euro start to gain the power, and we don't know if they get the power back unless we come and check to the CSI strength index. Where is CSI? My CSI is here. So at this moment euro is 62%. Let's see better. Yeah, 62% euro. According to which one is the weak at this moment, the weakest is USD, guy. USD and Swiss franc and CAD. USD is 33%, CAD is 26%, Swiss francs 27, 26, 27, 32, and now is the heat map look green. Only this New Zealand GBP New Zealand is red here. It's red here at 5 minutes to 4 minutes of 4 time chart. Time frame, 4 time frame chart, 4 hour time frame. Red on the GBP New Zealand, and they all green coming green. Should I put my buy now on New Zealand? I think I take a buy now. Okay, I just gonna buy. I'm just gonna buy New Zealand. Okay, already in position now. New Zealand is in for position. Let's ask the AI for. Okay, that's I'm in. So one position. I want to buy also GBP USD, but I'm not gonna do that. It's just gonna be a sister pair for compare. Okay, that GBP is getting strength now. Start to move right before the half hour before the New York Open. So half hour I take my risk, and to do that I forget to look at the volume. Let's go to GBP New Zealand volume. We're looking for the volume. So in 1 minute I put the price in here, and I should take precaution of stop loss just down here. Okay. Buy. Take profit. 1 to 2 is 1 to 1. Can I squeeze to 1 to 2 something? Should be up here. Can I expect that high? Okay, let's do it here. Just a little bit scalping. just to the first position. I'm looking for the add more later, but I don't know if it's gonna work with this. That's GBP New Zealand. Now I have total. That's looking really bad, but at least I enter at the lower on the lower side of the range, which is I expect to just come here, hit my take profit. I don't expect it will go through at the 1 hour, half hour, and half hour. That's the New York Open. I take a risk before the market open by buying the position, put at here this line, take profits above here in the lower time frame. This is just when I look back to the higher time frame. I look at 4 hours. It's no test, no whatsoever yet. They are searching at 4 hour time frame. No time to pull back or anything, just one small ding here. They're supposed to pull back lower. This is my alert line. They don't come alert yet, so I said it's gotta go down to test 1, test 2, otherwise it's too much desperate for them. And my stop, I buy from here. That's take the risk, because they're gonna pull back to test, to make the test 1, test 2, and I was keen to buy, so much fixated when I did already. Looking back, I say I make some mistake here. Look at the divergence, 1 up and this down, so my buy is in jeopardized mode. Look at that for 15 minutes. This is my stop loss, so I would say I buy when the market is so overextension. So this is what I have to ask the AI to see if I'm gonna stop this buy when I only lose so little now. But anyway, how far from here to here is not much of the lost, and I would take that price, because I need to go ask the AI during this. I have to take a okay, this is what asking for helping for analysis, GBP New Zealand buy trade analysis, buy entry and so on. Come back, stop the video and come back to do this, to look at this. Keys on consideration: the trade and market structure. Is the market trading or training or ranging? You have to be aware. Okay, stop loss and take profit, volatility, news impact, execution and spread, final thought and adjustment, so on. You have to stop video and come back and look at it. So here I changed the stop loss and take profit to the new level, because the 10 minutes come NFT New York Open, the whipsaw will be so far, and spread will hit my stop loss easily if I just put it up here. That's what the AI told me. And now this is the stop loss and take profit for the NFT. Alright, let's go and look at the other chart where my real trade is. Okay, here BTC, here it is, still minus in red. This is where I take buy less stop loss, and according to the NFT it will be a very much weak soil. So let's take, I should not take this trade. Why? Because NFT is the problem. So much powerful movement, so on. I would not stand a chance, but it's a risk. Let's go to 5 minutes. At least, okay, my stop loss be under this. Okay, take profit will be to here. Okay. At least some distance before they, I hope they don't come and get this guy, otherwise I will be in a deep shit. That's far generous enough I give this. First I just thought I'd do small scalping things. Now it's turned to be a big thing. But at least this is the history of 1 hour, that they are come up very strong and they need to be pulled back for some time to test this level, test this guy, and people who not get back in yet, so this guy can put more things in. I'm taking a risk right now. I should not, but yeah, I haven't looked at the divergent yet. This is divergent, so this is not good. 4 hour and daily is divergent, but not the daily. The daily is still healthy, not any different yet. And this is 1, 2, 3. This is divergent on the strength index. It's ATR. This is stochastic. Stochastic is still healthy. I hope this is not clear for divergent. Only this MACD is moving down. When the thing is moving up, that means the price is going down. So I should be very careful on this trade. It's not so far from here to here. We'll see. So it's creeping down. Challenge this guy now on 15 minutes. The volume, okay, they are, MACD says it's going down, and this is going further than this. This is not so clear still, but at least it's divergent from here to here. It's coming down and then divergent back. It's 5 minutes. That's my stop loss down here. That is the arrow said pivot. You don't go further than here. If you go further than here, I will not take that, and I will push you up. I hope they push you up. Push it up. Put it back to the 3-minute sequence. So how far that I risk myself, I don't know. That's 3 minutes to go. Oh no, my stop loss, take profit will be witnessed the catastrophe. Okay, we'll see. Put everything in the sequence. We are just gonna put the screen here, okay? And GBP Aussie, GBP New Zealand, red zone. I want it to bounce back. Check for the new before, and today refresh. 17 minutes to go for US employment, non-farm employment change. Expect to be 183 and 14. Expect less of non-farm. Expect less. And then 16 and 31 minutes to go. So I have this trade can leave 16 2 minutes to 20 minutes to go, and I'm losing money right now. I buy. This is my position. It's here, and now the momentum pulled it down, which is I expect that they stop it here and then go back to this happy line. But they're not. The momentum bring them down. So is GBP USD. The momentum bring them down. I think they're trying to fooling people to set the market is shift to down sign, and so they get people more seller to swamp in, so the buyer can sell it to them. They're looking for the seller. So this is 3 minutes, and this is 1 minute. Looks scary in 1 minute. Let's put it with the same sequence so it doesn't throw my thinking off this the correlation. Where's the time? 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. USD is look even stronger. GBP USD dropped very significant compared to the other. And will my GBP New Zealand survive this audio? Now the pivot put the arrows in, but this is still strong. I don't want to just go striking, do the opposite, take the dropping knife to my hand. It drops so strong.